Hi, we will be navigating through a Word document. The first step is to open Word. When you open Word, it will come up to a document that looks like this. We are going to choose a blank document to work with, but there are lots of other templates that you can work with. Once your document is opened, the first feature that we will be working with is the font and font size. To find your font and font size, we will go under the Home tab. The other tabs do other things, but we are looking at the Home tab. Now, below that and to the right, there is a rectangular box that has a title in it. That is your font. By clicking on this arrow, it will come with a list, and the list has a bunch of different fonts that you can use. I'm going to choose just one random one. Now for font size, all you have to do is go to the right of your font and click on that arrow. Now this will come up with a list and it will show you different sizes. Let's say you wanted something that was in between 24 and 26. Well, that's not an option. So you click on the box that has the number on it, delete the number that's in it, and type in your selected number. And that's how you change your font size and your font. The next feature that we're going to learn is how to save the file under whatever name you would like. To do this, you will have to go up under the file that is found at the top of your computer. By clicking on File, it comes down with a list. There's a list and you click on Save As. When you click on Save As, it'll come up with a bunch of different things where you can save it onto a drive that you can access anywhere or onto your computer. Let's say I want to save it on my computer. So I come down here and I click on my Mac. So now it's going to save on my Mac. Now it comes up with a second box and it asks me where I want to save it. I can click Downloads or any of these other ones. These are different folders I can save it in, but we're going to save it to just the desktop. Then I click on the Save As box and delete the name that they have in it and type in whatever name I want. We're going to save it as my name, just for looking at it purposes. Then, once you have your title typed in, you go over and you click Save. Once your computer is done processing that, then you just saved your document and you don't have to worry about losing it. And I hope this was helpful and thank you for watching.